Since I think that we've become a disposable society, meaning that anytime anything breaks on your homestead or your farm or your house, you just throw it away and buy new, which I think is counterproductive. I think that we need to expand our skill level, including myself, and we need to be more self-reliant. Plus the fact that things are becoming more and more expensive daily. It's much cheaper if you can actually just repair something, and this was, in my case, a low priority item, but I still thought that I could repair it without the cost of having to go buy another one. So I'm going to make my attempts to try and repair this right now. Welcome back to K&L Farms. I'm Ken. I hope this video finds you well, and for today anyway, and this would not normally be my highest priority, but my grandkids and my wife have brought it to my attention. I probably put it off for maybe 4 weeks, so I'm going to attempt to repair this. And basically it's what looks like the bow of a Viking ship, but it's a hammock, and my grandkids have 3 play areas on my homestead, and this is one of theirs. And we bought this hammock in a garage sale, oh, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and now it's become broken. So I'm going to try and repair it enough so I can moved past. And since I'm slow on the homestead, I got most of my repairs caught up. I have one more repair that I need to do, but this one, with as much pressure as I've gotten, I need to take care of. So let's try and work through some of that right now, and I'll try and show you some of how I'm going to repair this. It's a piece of, I'd call it a veneer, and see how it looks like the bow of a Viking ship, and it's broke. It's broke. There's a stainless steel bolt right here that's loose that I'm going to tighten up later on, but I'll probably have to move the camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I assume that you can see what I'm doing. I'm just taking some fallen wedges, and I'm going to open that up a little bit. Not that one, but this one. Enough that I can get some glue in there. And I was going to tell you, glue in the area I live in, glue took me probably 2 years. Glue and paint probably took me 2 years to figure out that glue, if you buy that glue, it's kind of expensive, is going to freeze up. So you got to put that glue, paint, varnish, anything you use, actually in some sort of climate, heated climate. And normally I would put this in the well house, because the well house is actually heated year round. But in the summertime right now, I don't have to be concerned about it. But in the wintertime, if this freezes, then it becomes null and void. You can't use it. But that's the thing around glue, paint, varnish, anything you actually use. And that's kind of an insider tip. Okay, so I'm going to try and spin this up a little bit. A little awkward because see how it's curved, and I might even open that gap up more. I'm working on this inside portion first. There's 2 pieces that are delaminated, but the first thing I'm trying to do is glue this portion of it. Try and pump some glue in there. Okay, so I got that one piece done. It dried overnight. I need to pull these bolts. That looks like a 1/2-inch stainless bolt. And I don't know how long that. I think it maybe 8 inches long. Pull those 3 bolts out. I've loosened them previously. Get the bow of the Viking ship up here. See if I can get one of those bolts back in here. Okay, I'm gonna try and start all 3 of those kind of a little bit, if I can. Okay, they kind of felt like they started. Okay, get a couple nuts, put them on the correct direction. Okay. Okay, grab the hammock. I want the eye bolt pointing down. Less chance that a grandkid is going to grab a hold of it. Wing that off. Couple stainless washers. Hook that through. Reestablish the washers. Put the wing nut back on.